Hi everybody, how are you today? Now we are practice homework lesson 4. The sound oo and oo. First the sound oo. Example: blue, blue. Booze, booze. Rule, rule. Mood, mood. New, new. Pull, pull. Rule, rule. Zeus, Zeus. Put, put. Move, move. Tooth, tooth. Moon, moon. Rule, rule. News, news. Lose, lose. Choose, choose. Loop, loop. Smooth, smooth, smooth. Shoes, shoes. Room, room. I must improve my poor pronunciation. Soon my dream will come true. Second, the sound oo. Put, put. Sook, sook. Look, look. Goose, goose. Took, took. Stood, stood. Book, book. Cook, cook. Good, good. Cool, cool. Look, look. A new moon. Look, look. A new moon. Pull, pull. The side said pull. The side said pull. Pull, pull. The side said pull. The side said pull. Pull, pull. It isn't really pull proof. It isn't really pull proof. Pull, pull. It isn't really pull proof. It isn't really pull proof. Could, could. The bird could. The bird could. Could, could. The bird could. Good. He good solely as a full moon. He good solely as a full moon. Good, good, good. He good solely as a full moon. He good solely as a full moon. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye. Bye bye.